disappearance of several people under mysterious circumstances around Europe, authorities remain clueless. Diverse groups of adventurers have gathered in a vain attempt to uncover the truth behind these strange events. The only clue each of these cases have in common are mysterious tape recorders scattered close to the last place where the victims were last seen alive. Those tapes only contain unintelligible noise, but who knows what message is blurred underneath. They are the only witness left, aren't they? White noise. Online. I absolutely love the hell out of this game. This game is so good. A lot of fun. Let's go through how it plays. I already know. You find tape recorders. Don't let Grandpa get you or whoever's chasing you. Yes, the monster creeps up behind you. It's very scary. And out of all these characters, I totally know who I already like, so no need to really wonder about those things. Those are the rules. This part needs to be in every game. That last part with the map that shows you how it kind of goes through. Alright, let's do this instead of Bunker 51. Keep you at the Founders Hall and the Chateau. I'll go to Founders BL. I like some of these low self-esteem characters who are like, I'm not very sane. Alright, let's dig in. Some good eats on this game. I believe the maps are always set the same, but the recorders are scattered. Okay, here we go. I'm preserving the flashlights while you see me flicker it. I used to play this game a lot. That makes you go crazy. You don't want to go crazy in here, or the boogeyman gonna get you. Another one. I think you can go near it, but you just can't look at it. Oh my gosh. I hear something. That's one of the tape recorders, I'm certain. Spider webs. Not what I was looking for. I hear it. Yeah, closing in. Let's do a quick spin around. Oh, there it is. Magically taped to the statue. Man, who glues their tape recorder to a statue anyways? I mean, come on. Okay, now it's gonna start getting scary. Also, the music picks up a little more. Museum boxes. Old-timey crates, just like in the movies. I do have to be careful, though. This boogeyman creature is way different than the slow-running grandpa. Okay. Still looking around. One day I've gotten 7. No, I've gotten 8 by myself before, but I was really rehearsed. Oh! Zoinks! I heard a ghost! He didn't hear nothing. Shut up. It's the boogie! It's the ghoul in the dark! Yeah, what the heck is this thing called? Don't let the butt goblin grab you. He'll grab you. He'll bite you real good. I'll lose him in this room full of ancient soldier warriors. He ain't gonna find me in here. Probably taped onto the... Oh! Set down... Okay, that makes more sense. Alright, don't listen to the tape. But why? What happens if you listen to the tape? I already know. I'll tell you at the end of the video. And I'll also tell you if you like and subscribe. Alright, back to it. That's actually kind of a pretty setting. Ooh. Giant ear dude's head. I'm surprised somebody actually made a couple of these to look exactly the same. It's like Mount Rushmore, but with... Yeah, there we go. Hear it. Okay, just gotta keep running. Cool head does it. Don't get scared. Oh, it's a booger totem or whatever that is. I think that's what I used to call them. I'm getting nervous. Ooh. Excuse me, sir, juke. Overpriced, goofy crap art. It's a sculpture of a tape recorder. Careful not to go insane. Flashlight's getting dim. Running low on Cheez-Its. Oh, that's the only real impending warning you get from far away. Creature draws near. Ready your swords, lads. Ready your flashlights. I like the way they designed this place too. A lot of it looks pretty dark. Oh, those aren't mine. Those aren't mine. Maybe those are his. Size 14s. Bloody footprints. That must have been a crab around here somewhere. Starting to close in a little. What I always liked about this game too is that the tension runs kind of high, especially when you know the creature's right behind you, breathing on you. A different room, I believe. Haha, he'll never find me in this house of pillars. Is that a tape recorder right here? Do my ears deceive me? Oh, taped on the wall. Give me that 8-track. That's a weird looking 5. creature gets more aggressive as you get more tape recorders because he really wants them back. I bet one of them's really embarrassing. It's probably the Booger Ghost trying to freestyle, drop some beats up in the museum. Relax, stay calm. I'll figure my way out of this. Ah, there it is! Another tape recorder. Get it? There we go. It's weird because usually you couldn't really tell what they were saying. I like this music too, it doesn't help. He's getting braver. Oh, a little peepee boy peeking around the corner. Peeping Tomish. He wants these goods. Don't look at him too long, folks. Don't look at that either. Don't look at me. Okay, come on, we can figure this last. There's only 2 more. We got this. Who's there? Ooh. What do we got? Oh yeah! Nice! Okay.
You can't kill him. He won't die. Oh, but I will. Everyone will.
Alright, I got to guess where I think the last one... This is always the hardest one, too. It's a lot easier with 4 players, I'll tell you that much. But it's still doable as one. I mean, it's just weird because it's so random. This map is typically like typically has them like in rooms and those display areas, stuff like that. But the other maps, like the woods and stuff, can have it like sitting in the middle of nowhere, just a long stretch of grass, nothing near it. Come on, I have to impress the YouTubes. I've got to impress my viewers. All 4 of them. I guess he didn't like that joke. Gotta start running now. He's closing in. I can feel his breath on my back. Okay, just run. Okay. Pitter patter those feet away from there. Okay. Can I go? I feel like I probably just missed a room off to the side somewhere or something. Heavy breathing. I think I... Oh, man, that might have been it. Ah! Yo, dead. Almost though, folks. I like that monster's lipstick. This is a feature I would like to have in a million other games. Let's see how stilted and disjointed my traveling is. Okay. Found a piece. That's when I like that. You can see that I'm like searching around. Okay. That's when I first saw the monster. Another piece. Ooh, okay. I missed a big old chunk down there. Oh no, another creature site. What am I drawing? Okay. drawing lungs, I think, and a piece. Oh, I kind of still missed some areas out there. I didn't do all that upper right corner. Oh, never mind, there we go. Thorough. Oh, it had to have been in one of those other corners. Good stuff. Like and subscribe, folks. Thanks for playing.